Working President ke UDP ba polling do ula pensyai ba ke jingkren hala ke jingpa ketien ke Hspdp ban wengno na ke kenhun Regional Democratic Alliance RDA kalong katkum ke ba ula yoi ha kilat pathai kubor ba ke Hspdp ban ye khun marwe ha ke MDC election ula ong ba ke jingmut ba ula kren kalong ba kum ya kene ke jingthmu ke Hspdp kam sim na kren rengkat bat ke kenhun RDA ban namar bekila syu penban hi claim da slok usim ba kene karai ban Ktah ya ke jingide hapo ke RDA.
I think you guys have blown it out of proportions. There's nothing as dramatic as it's made out to be. Some issues were raised by Hspdp, which were also made public through the media. But these will be resolved. I don't see just few points of differences of opinions which will be resolved amicably in the next few days. I was quoting a media report which was also circulated through WhatsApp, statements made by the Hspdp that they were going to put up candidates of their own for the forthcoming ADC elections, and my point was that such a matter was never raised at the proper platform, which is the RDA, the executive committee of the RDA. And therefore, since they went public with that announcement, I surmised that it could affect the relationship of the RDA. And the very next day, the confirmation was that they would remain with the RDA, but then they would like to fight the ADC elections on their own. But again, I think it is only befitting and proper that if there was such an opinion or a decision on the part of the Hspdp, it could have been discussed in-house within the four walls of the RDA Executive Committee.